It's your boy B. Ruger back at it, aka Mr. Fat Fly Flashy, aka Mr. Triple H, the Husky Handsome Hustler, aka, if you need any more AKHs, put the AKT nigga, Sohita Digital, G Enterprise, Mr. Big Boy Swag himself, fuck all that other bullshit, you know what I mean? I just want to let y'all know, I'm still a big nigga. I'm going to show y'all why I'm a big nigga. Y'all know how y'all buy sodas, nigga? Hold on. Let me fix my shit. Y'all can see, we on the Autobahn coming back from Stuttgart after this show. It's raining. I just want to let y'all know, we do everything big. You know what I'm talking about? Hold up. We do everything big. Look at this shit. Hold this, nigga. Nigga, did I zoom in on this shit?
Yeah, you did.
Look at this big ass soda, you know what I'm talking about? It's a big ass soda, you know what I'm talking about? I drink everything, we do everything big over here. Just to let y'all know, I do everything big over here. Woohoo! Woo! Hold on, but check it out. Ate that bitch already, you know what I'm talking about? Big boys don't need no fucking food around. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? I'll get a napkin out this bitch. You know what I mean? And just to let y'all know I'm real fat, I still got another cup. So, oh shit, we about to die. I swear, if y'all seen the size of the vehicle we in, nigga, this shit look like a paratransit bus. You know, the handicapped people that can't get around on their own and your city come pick them up? And that's what we call it in Philly, paratransit.
You can show them that.
What?
Same size.
Oh, yeah. Look, here go a van about the same size as what we ride now.
Another Mercedes.
And it's a Mercedes. See what I'm saying? This shit never ends with Mercedes over here. Except our shit got windows on the side all the way down the back of that bitch. But, you know what I mean? Look at this graffiti on the walls in Germany. Like it's really gangbangers over here. This is some bullshit. This is some bullshit. I'm just trying to figure out when did it become cool for average niggas? I don't even want to call them niggas because they're Germans. But when did it become cool for them to be gangbangers? Like, when did that start? I mean, I know I've only been in Germany since March. This shit is getting out of hand. Like, I'm about to start flag checking on the side. I know Philly won't even do the gang shit, you know what I mean? Oh, nigga, turn that up. Oh, hold on, I'll be right back.